Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Security forces have eliminated two Pakistani militants in an encounter at Poshna in the Poonch district of Jammu on Sunday. Now, there were inputs that a group of militants had recently infiltrated from the line of control and entered the Indian territory in the Poonch district. That's the time when security forces swung into action. It was a joint operation by the police, the CRPF and the army. The reports had indicated that this group had infiltrated 3 days ago. The problem was that there was heavy snowfall, and that really made it difficult for the forces to reach the spot where the militants were hiding. An effort was made in the last 3 days. Then again another second attempt was made and a contact was established with the militants. Clearly, with snow blocking passes, it's difficult for militants to infiltrate, but they're still finding gaps to enter into the Indian territory. The security forces say there is desperation because the District Development Council elections are underway in Jammu and Kashmir. It was the sixth phase of the DDC elections in Jammu and Kashmir on Sunday, which recorded 51.5% polling across Jammu and Kashmir. Now, the police say that both the militants were Pakistanis, Sajid and Bilal. They belong to the Lashkar-e-Toiba. A huge quantity of arms and ammunition have been recovered from them.
खबर आ रही थी कि यहाँ पे टेररिस्ट मूवमेंट है। इसी सिलसिला में उन्होंने एक सिविल आदमी को भी अपने साथ लिया। सब्सिक्वेंटली जॉइंट एफर्ट से उसको रेस्क्यू कराया गया। उसके तहत मल्टीपल पार्टीज ने मल्टीपल लोकेशन पे डोमिनेशन करके एक ऑपरेशन लॉन्च किया, जिसके नतीजे में कुछ दिन के बाद डिस्पाइट इंक्लीमेंट वेदर ये ऑपरेशन कामयाबी के साथ
9 दिसंबर 2020 को 2-3 आतंकवादियों के हमारे इलाके में होने की खबर मिली थी। इनको हमने ट्रैक करना शुरू कर दिया और लगातार ऑपरेशन जारी रखते हुए इन पर दबाव बनाए रखा। ये आतंकवादी लगातार कोशिश कर रहे थे कि हमारे सर्च ऑपरेशन से बचकर निकल जाएं और या तो साउथ कश्मीर में चले जाएं या डीडीसी इलेक्शंस के अंदर बाधा बन सके। हमारे ऑपरेशंस ने इस पूरे इलाके को घेर लिया और इनके भागने के सभी रास्तों को बंद कर दिया। इनको हमने आखिरकार पोशाना के इलाके में घेर लिया और इनको सरेंडर करने का मौका दिया, लेकिन इन्होंने हमारी पार्टी पर फायरिंग शुरू कर दी, जिससे कि हमें जवाबी कार्रवाई में इन पर फायरिंग करनी पड़ी। फायरिंग के दौरान दोनों आतंकवादी मुठभेड़ में मारे गए। इनसे 2 AK-47, 6 AK-47 की मैगजीन, 300 AK-47 एम्यूनिशन, 1 UBGL, 1 थुराया सेट, 12 ग्रेनेड, 300 ग्राम एक्सप्लोसिव मटेरियल, 3 मोबाइल फोन और 26,000 रुपए कैश में बरामद हुए।
Now the sources say that obviously they were headed to South Kashmir in Shopian, but even before they could reach there, they were intercepted by the security forces near the Mughal Road that connects Jammu region with the Kashmir Valley, and both the militants were eliminated. So clearly, at a time when the district development elections are successfully being held in Jammu and Kashmir without violence, the militants are desperately trying to create obstacles and to resort to violence, and that's precisely the reason that this group of militants was sent from Pakistan. But despite the heavy snowfall, despite it being difficult to reach the places where the militants were hiding, the security forces launched a meticulous operation. It was a joint operation and eliminated both the militants. The operation taking place in Poonch district just days after this group of militants had infiltrated from Pakistan. With Manjeet Singh in Poonch, in Jammu, Zafar Iqbal.